All right, here we go. First, we start with the periodic table of accessible elements. It's not a real table in the ACCESS standard sense of things, but hey, we do want to make ACCESS fun. We start, as we always do, in the 2010 ADA standards. Next, we look at section 1009, and that covers swimming pools. But we really want to start by looking at the scoping requirements for swimming pools today. Therefore, we'll go to section 242, and that covers the scoping requirements for swimming pools. Section 242.2 states that at least two accessible means of entry shall be provided for swimming pools. Accessible means of entry shall be swimming pool lifts, sloped entries, transfer walls, transfer systems, and pool stairs. At least one accessible means of entry provided shall be a swimming pool lift or a sloped entry. However, there are three exceptions to this. The first exception states that where a swimming pool has less than 300 linear feet of swimming pool wall, no more than one accessible means of entry shall be required, provided that the accessible means of entry is a swimming pool lift. Exception 2 states that wave action pools, leisure rivers, sand bottom pools, and other pools where user access is limited to one area shall not be required to provide more than one accessible means of entry, provided that the accessible means of entry is a swimming pool lift or a sloped entry or a transfer system. Exception 3 states that catch pools shall not be required to provide an accessible means of entry, provided that the catch pool edge is on an accessible route. Next, we'll compare other ACCESS standards to see if they are in agreement. The 2012 Texas Accessibility Standards, the 2018 Illinois Accessibility Code, the 2020 Florida Building Code Accessibility Provisions, the 2022 California Building Code are all in agreement with the ADA standards. In the ICC A117.1 and the scoping requirements from the 2021 IPC, it states the same, that swimming pools, wading pools, cold baths, hot tubs, and spas shall be accessible and be on an accessible route. But there's no mention of exactly how that is to be achieved. So in the end, all these standards seem to be in agreement about accessibility being required to swimming pools and public accommodations. So thanks for watching, and remember that here at the U.S. Access Institute, LLC, our goal is eliminating the confusion in access compliance. Please check us out at www.usaccessinstitute.com.